And that's how you get rid of blackberries, everybody. You rip them out of the ground like Jacob Cook just did, and you burn them on the fire. Make them disappear. Right, Jacob?
Yes, sir.
Good work, brother.
Okay, buddy, what do we have here? Cleaned up this area. Some children's toys, but beautiful. Chris Abbott,
Well, we've mostly got the raking done in the yard, eh?
good
Been a
neighbor.
little while since we raked the storm debris.
That's a good
Storm
neighbor.
debris is now raked, and we're burning it on the pile.
You got to have a neighbor like Chris Abbott.
Handfuls over onto the fire. Fire's a great way to get rid of it, but composting's the best. But if you don't have time to compost like Jacob, if he's moving, the second best thing you can do is burn it. But I prefer to compost. You never know what you might run into or who you might see on Budget Traveler. Take care, everybody.